uthi ke lo mzalwana, he restore my soul, uyawubuyisa umphefumulo wami. Umphefumulo yinto equkethe i-souls and emotion, which are the things ezingabudukisa endleleni. So it depends ukuthi eyakho impilo ilawulwa yini. Ingaba impilo yakho ilawula ngama-feelings and emotions na, okanye wena impilo yakho ilawulwa nguNkulunkulu? When impilo yakho ilawula ngama-feelings nama-emotions wakho, zikhona izinto ozawuzenza ezizakudukisa. I'll make sense in a minute, bazalwane, just give me time. Zikhona izinto ozawuzenza ezizakudukisa because you are controlled by your feelings and emotions. Sometimes i-feelings ne-emotions zakho ziye zifune into ephambene nentando kaThixo empilweni yakho. Number 2, ziye zifune into ephambene ne-health yakho. Number 3, ziye zifune into ephambene ne-safety yakho. Sometimes when your life is being controlled by your feelings and emotions, izinto eziningi ezawuzenza zizokufaka emngciphekweni, whether health-wise okanye safety-wise. Uphume under insecurity and then ubeke impilo yakho at risk ngenxa yokuthi you are led by your feelings and emotions. Or maybe you are led by your feelings and emotions, ubeke impilo yakho against the will of God. So it depends ukuthi ke impilo yakho ilawulwa yini. Now uthi uDavid ke, the reason why I conquered whatever that I conquered, the reason why ukuthi after amaphutha engiwenzile kodwa ngaba willing ukuthi ngibe humble, ngivume ukuthi ngirong and ngibe responsible ngamaphutha engiwenzile, it is because of the Lord restores my soul. In other words, uthi sengidukile uNkulunkulu, abantu babona ukuthi